For over 20 years, I've helped new website owners dive into the world of DIY. When I started Snurdy.com, I was spending all day and night learning, experimenting, but mostly struggling. Like a lot of do-it-yourself website owners, I bit off more than I could chew. It took me a couple of years to build something close to what I wanted. I had a full-time career and had the goal to one day break free of that 9-to-5. So, I kept moving forward. At times, I brought in freelancers, but with third-party costs, changes, and misunderstandings caused more rework. It was like throwing money down the drain. After a decade of web development, I saw a need and created managed website services, taking care of the technical stuff so clients didn't have to. While DIY can save money up front, it can also eat away at your time. A DIY site might start to look how you want, but often crucial elements like SEO, updates, and security get left behind. With managed website services, things are different. Clients simply email us updates, and it's normally completed within a business day. Plus, we manage server updates, backups, and keep the site secure 24/7, even on holidays. Our services start as low as $50 a month, custom tailored to fit your project so you can get back to what matters, running your business. Why spend hours learning web design when you could be growing your business? Thank you for watching. Please like and share. Contact us at snurdy.com today. We want your business, not your wallet.